So this is our anti-sleep system for drivers, for drive assist. So this is our buzzer, like positive negative connected to MA1 MA2, and because it's active low, so the signal is like grounded to negative pin. And this is our eye blink sensor. So it does not come with this kit, you can purchase it separately. So basically it's a goggle with like IR obstacle sensor, and it has 3 pins like VCC, ground and signal. So the VCC goes into V, ground goes into G, and signal goes into A1. So this is our connection, like VCC goes into V, ground goes into G, and signal goes into A1. Now when the driver is awake, like it will not beep, but when the driver falls to sleep, like it will start beeping. So now let's just see the demo. So currently the driver is awake, so it is not beeping. So when the driver goes into sleep mode, it will start beeping, and when the driver awakes, it will stop beeping again. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.